Lola, Happy Mother's Day po. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless you po. We love you.
Hello, Mother Earth. Akala ko po siguro cellphone ng surprise namin sa'yo, no? Anyways, happy Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you so much for everything sa inyong dalawa ni Papa. Pasensya kung hindi kami ganun ka-vocal, pero sana nakikita at nararamdaman nyo kung gaano namin kayo kamahal at kung gaano kami ka-proud na kayo yung naging magulang namin. Mag-ingat ka po sana palagi kapag meron ka pinupuntahan, lalo na kapag naka-duty ka. And sa ngayon, nilolook forward namin na makagawa ng maraming memories kasama ka. Yun lang, Ma. Happy Mother's Day and I love you!
Hi Ma, Happy Mother's Day. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo Ma na maraming salamat sa pagiging isang mabuting ina sa amin. Hindi lang kila Franz, kundi sa amin din ni Andeng. And syempre, mag-iingat ka palagi.
And ako naman Ma, hindi ko na masyado papahabain. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa aming magkakapatid, para sa family natin. Na-appreciate namin yung lahat Ma. Thank you. And mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Papa. And palagi lang kami nandito Ma para sa iyo. And again, Happy Mother's Day.
We love you.
We love you Ma.
Hi Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for your incomparable love, care, and support you gave to us. And we're so grateful to have you as our mother. Thank you and I love you.
Hi Tita, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for all the days that you made me feel loved and appreciated. I am out of words to tell how grateful I am. You are so special to us and be happy and healthy as always. Thank you. I love you.
Sa the best nana in the world. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Sa nag-iisa naming mama na mahal naming apat. Always lang kami nanditong mga anak mo forever and ever. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.